Welcome to Bella Nonna Design Studio. Today I'm here to introduce you to our second block of the month called Homegrown Veggies. This month is the radish, and this is just a small section of how to make the radish block. We'll start with our background, which you've learned how to do, sewing seams each opposite direction and then pressing nicely to get a flat background and putting your shape flex on the back. Okay, let's take our radish that has the fusible on the back and place it here right about the top of the dirt. Then we'll take our leaf, our bottom leaf. This has two leaves. This is the bottom leaf, and it just kind of pokes right under there in the center. And then the next part of the leaf is a different fabric, and it is tucked under there like that. Now I'm just going to mention that a lot of our fabrics in the Spirit Rhythm line are directional, so that makes them fun to work with in different ways. This one we used vertical for the leaf, and we used the horizontal on the radish. Now comes a little bitty root. It's a tiny little piece. You just slide it right up under the tip of the radish, and then you're ready to fuse. Now again, we have in the directions all the measurements on how far apart to put these and how to place them. And okay, let me show you the stitching progression. First of all, we'll stitch the top leaf, and we used a small zigzag because these are smaller pieces, a small actually satin stitch around the outside edge, and then we did one vein up the center. Next, we changed colors to a darker green and went all the way around in one fell swoop to outline that one. Next, we did a tiny little satin stitch around the root. And lastly, we took our beautiful decorative stitch that we like so well and went all the way around the radish, encasing all these edges. Use fray check, a little drop to seal in the ends of your stitching, and that's your radish.